that. Alright, phone mode activated. We're attempting to climb a hill and I can hear the waterfall. I'm looking for a waterfall. Wasn't expecting to come here today, but here we are. Alright, this is where we're at. I'm not dressed for bushwalking. I don't know where this is leading. There's two buckets down there. We found it! Can be so good on the stairs. Walk forward. Go. It was so good on the stairs. I almost twisted my ankle 5 times. No, okay. This is actually really cool. It's so loud. Okay. Don't come. This is so fucking cool. I haven't been to like something like this in so long. Alright, over here. Here. In the water. Good girl. Here. Good girl. You gonna play in it? No, she heard a noise back up there and is a little concerned. Good girl. It's a little intimidating. Not exactly the water we wanted to paddle in. Leave that alone. Come here. Come here. Yeah. You playing here? You can go in there. You can do it here. Good girl. You gonna try it? You gonna try it? A little bit scary. Yeah. Good girl. All right, come on. Come on, this way. This way, this way. It's okay, we'll go back up in a minute. All right, up one. Good girl, up one. Let's go. Wait. Good girl, up one, up one. Wait. Good girl, up one. Oh, careful, easy, wait, wait, wait. Good girl, up one. Good girl. Oh, there's steep steps, aren't they? Wait, wait. Good girl. Holy shit. Okay, up one. Wait. Good girl. Good girl. All right. We just got back from the doggy park, and guess what? We made a friend. Actually, we made 2 friends. Technically 3, but I think just 2 counts because 2 were the ones we actually played with. But yes, Peanut, we talked about Peanut a couple of vlogs ago. We finally met with Peanut. Peanut was a beautiful goofball as always. Pickles, we're still new to like hanging out with people and stuff, so we started off slow, and then we took our lead off and we just like running around inside the dog park, and it was great. Peanut was very understanding and very calm. A little like, I don't know, just bounce, just full of bounce, giant ball of bounce, but it was great. Then there was another dog that came up, so Peanut and the other dog were running around a bit. It matched each other's energy. Pickles was a little off about, and I was a little off about this other dog as well, but that was fine. So Peanut and the other dog ran around for a bit, and then Peanut came with us for a walk. We went up, we took this photo, and then we walked back, and then when we got back the park was empty, so we played a little bit more, and then another dog came along, Bella. Peanut and Bella ran around for a few minutes. Once everyone calmed down, then we went back in. We were still a little cautious, but then Bella was fine, and they actually played together really well. So we had a big day of doggy play date. It was good. We have future plans with Peanut. We have future plans with Peanut. Peanut's human, and yeah, it's good. It's good. We had fun. And me and Peanut's human also had fun, so that was good. It was good. But yeah, overall, a good play date, a good day. It's good that Pickles has got a friend. It's good that Pickles has got a friend. We like that, because at least then we can have someone to socialize with. What do you reckon? What do you reckon? Yeah? Alright.